Hi guys, my name is Johan from restoration.bike, and in this video I'm going to give you my top pick for the best slick 26-inch mountain bike tire. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. As always, that is greatly appreciated and helps me a lot building this channel for you guys. So I've been looking for the best 26-inch slick mountain bike tires for quite a while now. I've restored 3 Cannondales, and the last one, a Cannondale Killer V, has a set of worn Schwalbe Big Apple tires. Now, slick mountain bike tires are the option when you're looking into converting your retro MTB into a city or gravel/trail bike. And the Killer V is definitely no downhill monster with just 60 millimeters of travel in its Headshok P-bone fork. And overall, the bike is incredibly stiff and pretty unforgiving. However, it's an absolute inner city monster, which is that much more fun to ride than a traditional road bike and way cooler looking. And ever since I put Schwalbe Fat Franks on my Cannondale M300, I started to love slick tires and retro MTB builds, both for their plush ride quality and minimal rolling resistance. I'll be only covering my personal pick, which turned out to be the Continental Speed King Race Sport, so I can give you some more background info why I chose this tire. I've added a link in the description to an article I've written with all the tires I covered and a handy table that gives you a quick overview of key features for each tire. So on to my pick, which is the Continental Speed King Race Sport. It has the lowest rolling resistance, the lightest weight, it is championship endowed, and coming in a beautiful 26-inch package. The Continental Speed King 2 Race Sport has everything going for it and is the winner on my list for speed junkies looking for the perfect semi-slick to bomb XC trails and even give road bike cyclists a run for their money. Its ridiculous TPI count of 180 enables the weight to come down to a mere 410 grams, which is by far the lightest tire on my list. It means that you are a rocket when putting the power to the pedals, and even with 2.2-inch wide tires, which look sick on any retro MTB. When I went from the Schwalbe Big Apple to the Race Sport, I shaved off 600 grams of the entire weight. And while riding the bike, this is noticeable. And I don't know if it was just my mind playing tricks on me or the low rolling resistance kicking in, but I really felt I was going faster. Tires are a huge design factor when doing a build, and looks is one of my biggest priorities, if not the biggest. I'm not doing competitions, I'm not a world traveler looking for high mileage and the biggest puncture protection. I want my bike to look sweet. And for the Cannondale Killer V, I decided to go for an all black tire instead of a tan wall. And I feel this is also the best looking tire of the bunch. I've seen people complaining about the tire being out of alignment and having wobbles. I didn't experience this issue at all. And if you do, you might want to check my video on how to prevent such a thing from happening. If it has one downside at all, the price might scare you a bit. I paid 75 euros for a pair that's over $80 US, which meant it's more than 2 times as expensive as the Big Apple. And it's also the most expensive tire on the entire list. But as far as first impressions go, I considered it worth every penny. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Let me know what your top pick is for the best slick 26-inch mountain bike tire, and I hope I can welcome you again for the next video. Bye for now.